Lawmakers in Rhode Island are considering a bill that would give terminally ill patients the options to end their life.
If approved, a doctor could prescribe the patient a lethal drug. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado is at the State House with more details.
Representative Agello says the bill is modeled after laws in Vermont and California that allow a terminally ill person to have the right to die by taking a prescription medication.
5555 does not allow euthanasia or assisted suicide.
State Representative Edie Agello pushing for a bill that would allow certain terminally ill patients to request a prescription from their doctor for lethal medicine. The Compassionate Care Act would require a prognosis of death within 6 months, a 15-day waiting period after the first request, and the medication would have to be self-administered by the patient.
It allows for more compassion in the care of some of us who are dying.
In opposition, Margaret Dorr, a lawyer from Washington State, which has a death with dignity law.
Don't make our mistake.
Dorr argues the law could be misused, including by family members with nefarious intent.
And bottoms up, dad dies, and the death certificate will reflect a terminal disease as a cause of death, and the son will get to inherit.
Members of the public showing up to a hearing to weigh in on both sides.
My mother died horribly of cancer. There's no dignity in constant pain that they don't know how to control. There's no dignity in that kind of situation. We don't let our pets suffer that kind of thing.
If we wish to classify a subgroup of people as legally eligible to be killed, we have violated our nation's commitment to equality before the law. You're no longer worth living, you frail elderly woman, you sick grandfather, you disabled boy. Thanks for the paperwork, though.
And the bill says the patient requesting the medication must be capable of making that decision and not have their judgment impaired. So, for example, an elderly patient with dementia would not be eligible. No vote was taken on the legislation. I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.